Hi and welcome to this instructional video on multiplying simple algebraic expressions. Please remember to write notes as you go along, and you can pause, stop, rewind the video, watch things over if you need to. The purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to multiply simple algebraic expressions and also how to simplify simple algebraic expressions by cancelling. We're going to start with a quick recap on multiplying negative numbers. So, if you multiply a positive number by a positive number, you get a positive number. You multiply a positive number by a negative number, the result will be a negative number. A negative number by a positive number will also give a negative number. And finally, a negative number by a negative number gives a positive number. So plus and plus gives plus, plus and minus gives minus, minus and plus gives minus, minus and minus gives plus. You can remember this: if the signs are the same, you get positive. If the signs are different, you get negative. So here we have 4 times 6 gives us 24. 4 times minus 6 gives us minus 24. Minus 4 times 6 gives us minus 24, and minus 4 times minus 6 gives us 24. So multiplying algebraic expressions, we've been asked to simplify 5a times minus 3. Remember, 5a is the same as 5 times a. So 5 times a times minus 3. Well, let's do the numbers first. 5 times minus 3 is a positive times a negative, so we're going to have negative 15. And we have our a, so we have negative 15a. Here we have minus 4f times by minus 3. A negative times a negative is going to give us a positive. 4 times 3 is 12. And then we have our f, so the answer will be 12f. Minus 2g times by 5g. We'll do the numbers first. So, minus 2 times 5 gives us minus 10. G times g gives us g squared. So our answer is minus 10 times g squared. Minus 10 g squared. Here we have minus 6h times minus 4d. Again, we do the numbers first. Minus 6 times minus 4 is 24. And then we have h times d. Well, in algebra, we usually write the letters in alphabetical order. So we're going to have h times d is going to be dh. So our answer is 24dh. For the next bit, we need to just recap simplifying fractions. Remember, if we have 12 over 16, we can simplify that. 12 divided by 2 gives us 6. 16 divided by 2 gives us 8. So 12 over 16 is the same as 6 over 8. We can go a little bit further. 6 divided by 2 gives us 3. 8 divided by 2 gives us 4. So we end up with 3/4. So 12 over 16 is the same as 6 over 8 is the same as 3/4. Write the expression in their simplest form. So we have a squared b divided by ab squared. So to do this, you need to first write out the top and the bottom in full. So we're going to have a times b, because that's the same as a squared b. On the bottom, we've got a times b times b. Now we're going to have a look to see what we have on the top and on the bottom. Well, we can cancel 1a from the top and the bottom, and also 1b from the top and the bottom, which leaves us with ab. So the final solution to this is the simplest form is a over b. So we write out the expression in full. We then look to see what appears on the top line and on the bottom line, and anything that's on the top and the bottom we can cancel out. Let's try x cubed y, x squared y to the 4. Well, x cubed is x times x times x times our y. On the bottom we have x squared, which is x times x, y to the power of 4, y times y times y times y. So now we look to see what is on the top and on the bottom. Well, we have two lots of x's on the top and on the bottom that we can cancel out, and just one y on the top, so we take one y from the bottom. So that leaves us on the top with x, and on the bottom y times y times y. So our simplified answer is x over y cubed. I hope you found this video useful. Make sure you bring your good set of notes and any questions you have about this topic to the next lesson. Good luck!